Hi, I'm Melani, a singer from Argentina. I've recently completed Kerri's advanced mixed voiced program, and I wanted to share with you all how awesome it is. Thanks to this program, I was able to refresh my memory of past workouts, which I seem to have forgotten. Plus, I have learned a lot. I sincerely believe that each and every one of these workouts is extremely useful for any type of singer. Some of them were easy to follow and some others were rather challenging for me, but nevertheless helpful. Kerri's explanations are perfectly clear and comprehensive so that the course's progression is made quite smooth. Something worth mentioning is that Kerri is always taking care of your vocal health, which you all know is of utmost importance. So, even if you're a professional singer or even if you use your voice quite often and you want to keep it healthy, you should give this program a shot. You won't regret it.